Apparently, I came to understand the reason why some Christians are comfortable when their pastors are robbing them. They will tell you he's not forcing us to give their money, which is true. Because the last time I checked my dictionary, the English word force means the application using aggressive or physical method, using energy to make someone do something. Sometimes it might even go to the fact of threatening or applying of violence. So by that definition, it's true that the pastors are not forcing them to give their money. The same thing with us, the Igbo Unification Crusaders. We are not forcing anyone to be Igbo. If you are using the word, why are you forcing people to be Igbo? You are saying that we are putting chain on people's neck, dragging them like the way the jihadists are doing. If you are not a Muslim, we will kill you. If you are not Igbo, we will kill you. We have not done that. I have never seen where the Igbos are going house to house, telling people you must be Igbo or else we chase you out of this place. But I can tell you that inside small communities in Ijo, they are threatening some Igbos communities to deny their Igbo-ness by force. But Igbos don't do that. Show me one example, then I will quit. We are just people who are preaching the truth, using factual evidence to remind our people that they are Igbos. In fact, our work is to remind you people that you are Igbo, because naturally you are Igbo. None of us choose to be born by our parents. Nobody chooses his parents. I did not choose my gender. Nobody choose to be a man. Nobody choose to be a woman. Whoever you are today, you didn't choose it by yourself. We just came out and found out that we are man. Some of us wouldn't have even choose Nigeria to be born in. But we came out and found out that we are born in Nigeria. Born in Igbo race. So why denying what you did not choose by yourself? But I'm here to give you fact and evidence to prove to you that you are Igbo. To remind you that we are put here by nature as an Igbo person. So we're not forcing anybody. English not be anybody made. So I don't blame you when you don't understand the application of the word force. However, I want to remind you that if you will all start putting this attitude of I don't care, what happened to Yorubas in Ilori could also happen to us. Yes, now, my Ikwere brothers, this is a reminder to you. You'll be saying, I don't want to be Igbo. This is how a lot of people were doing I don't care, till they lost their ancestral homes to the Fulanis. Ilori is no more an Yoruba state. It's no more an Yoruba land. It has been taken over by Fulani Caliphate. Very soon, most of you in Ikwere will lose your ancestral home. And you have wished you did the right thing at the right time. Because I can tell you, we in the Delta State, we can never allow it to happen. Yoruba people are pushing propaganda that we migrated. They will say anything they want to say, but we are here, Gidibam, in Delta State. We are pro-Igbo boys, standing firm from Kwale to Agbo to even Ibanke. We know say we'll be born, and this is our ancestral home. We are going nowhere. Instead, now then go leave us. But you people in River State, the Ogba people, the Omako, the Ndoli, the Okpobo, you are here playing politics. Before you know what is happening, you would have lose your ancestral homes to another tribe. It will be too late. Toti say he doesn't allow what happened to people to happen to you before he learn lesson. It's better you learn from what happened to the Yorubas in Ilori now that it's early before it becomes too late. I'm out of here.